In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use callouts as title headers in Notion to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your pages. Notion is a versatile tool, and using callouts effectively can help you create well-organized and visually pleasing documents. By following these simple steps, you can transform how your pages are structured, making it easier to separate different sections and add personal flair to your workspace. Let's start with the basics. Imagine you're working on a page that needs some clear divisions. Using callouts makes these divisions not just functional, but also visually striking. First, begin by typing a / on your keyboard. This action will bring up Notion's command menu, which is a powerful feature allowing you to quickly insert a variety of components into your page. Once the menu appears, start typing callout. You'll notice that Notion will suggest the callout block option. Select it, and immediately, a new callout block will appear on your page. Callouts in Notion are designed to stand out by default, featuring an icon and a shaded background. Typically, the icon is a light bulb, which can signify an idea or important note. But remember, this is just the beginning of personalizing your callout. Next, focus on changing that default icon to something more representative of your content. Simply click on the icon part of the callout block. Notion will present you with a wide range of icon options. You can choose from emojis or even upload your own custom image if you have a specific symbol in mind. This customization allows each section to have its distinct character, aligning perfectly with what it represents and making the page more engaging at a glance. Now that you have tailored the icon to fit your needs, let's move on to the background color of the callout itself. To do this, hover over to the left of the callout block. You'll see a 6-dot icon appear. Clicking on these 6 dots reveals options to change the callout's background color. Notion provides a palette of colors that lets you set the tone for each section, whether you want it to be vibrant and eye-catching or subtle and subdued. Changing the background color not only helps in visually demarcating sections, but also aids in subconsciously organizing thoughts and information for anyone viewing the page. It adds a layer of professionalism and can make your Notion page appear as dynamic and engaging as you intend it to be. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you have successfully used callouts as title headers, adding both function and style to your Notion pages. Embrace this feature to create a cleaner, more aesthetically pleasing structure that can communicate information effectively. Thank you for joining us, and happy Notioning.